Your AISIN Reman Hybrid Battery arrives with all necessary documentation to ensure a smooth installation and return process. Start by reviewing the information packet included with your shipment. It contains the return UPS label and crucial details to guide you through every step of the process. Use the QR code located on the information packet or visit our website, aisinaftermarket.com/remanbattery/ for additional support and online tools to register your battery and manage returns. Find the serial number on the product label. You'll need this for registration and tracking. Before installation, clear any error codes from the vehicle and confirm that the install by date has not passed. Use the provided checklist to ensure all steps are completed. Prepare the core for return by securely attaching the provided wire tag. Place the core into the original shipping case with all components properly secured. Missing any of the original dunnage components provided will result in a deduction of your core credit. Complete your core return by labeling the case, inserting the return UPS label in the clear packet on the side of the shipping case, and ensure it's ready for the scheduled pickup. Double check all parts and packaging are intact. Schedule your core return online by entering the serial number. Follow the prompts to confirm your return. Once your core return schedule is successfully completed, you will receive an automated notification with all the information provided. Register your battery as soon as possible to activate warranty coverage. Simply input the serial number on the website and complete the registration form. Once your registration is successfully completed, you will receive an automated notification with all the information provided. After the returning core has been received and inspected, you'll receive an inspection report via email. You can also check your core return status or initiate a warranty return on our website. For any questions or technical assistance, refer to the support contacts in the information packet. We're here to help.